Xin chào cả nhà, Chef Q here, and today we are making a really simple but delicious dish. Tom Yum Spaghetti. Now this is a Thai fusion dish. Super easy to make, but it is so good. The first time I've actually had this is at one of our favorite restaurant here in San Diego, and it's from Cake the Party, and I love that place. Ever since I ate there, I've been wanting to make this myself. So here are the list of ingredients. And of course, to make this, we need some spaghetti. In this recipe, I choose shrimp as my protein. You also need some tomato sauce, some coarsely smashed garlic, thinly sliced shallots, and kaffir lime leaves. Cherry or grape tomatoes would be good with this. Sliced red onions to add some more color. And of course, your tom yum paste. And today I'm using bunabi mushrooms. Don't forget your Thai basil. Some fish sauce to add authenticity, and sugar to balance out that fish sauce flavor. We'll start out by cooking our pasta. A little bit of olive oil, just so the noodles won't stick. Drop in about a handful of noodles. That's gonna cook for about 8 minutes. In a deep pan, add some olive oil, and we'll pre-cook the shrimp. You don't have to add any salt or pepper with this. This will go in later with our sauce. Remove the shrimp and set aside. Add in your garlic, shallots. Give it a quick stir, about 30 seconds or until aromatic. Add in your mushroom, about a tablespoon of tom yum paste. Crunch up a couple kaffir lime leaves. This will release the flavor and aroma from the leaves. Next, add in your red onions and about 1 cup of tomato sauce. About 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. A few cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes. And let it simmer on low heat until your pasta is ready. Once the pasta is ready, just scoop it straight into the sauce. And next, add in your shrimp. This is kind of like a sweet and sour tom yum, right? With so much flavor and fragrance in here. We got the basil smell, the kaffir lime leaf smell. But if you don't have kaffir lime leaves, you can do without it too. Because in that tom yum paste, there's already like lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves mixture in there. There's also like coriander and tamarind and stuff like that too. So that's what gives it that citrus taste to it too. But remember, don't add too much fish sauce because that tom yum paste, there's already salt in there. And if you happen to add too much of the fish sauce in and it's too salty, just add a little bit more sugar or a little bit more water just to dilute it out a little bit. And today I made with shrimp, but of course you can make it with chicken, beef, pork even, whatever protein that you want to put in. But shrimp seems to be the easiest. Woo. Oh yeah. Oh man. This is spaghetti on another level. There's so much complex flavor in here. All the aroma, the citrus, the sweetness, and the saltiness all blend together. Don't forget that Parmesan cheese to tie everything together. And the shrimp is cooked perfectly, you know? It's a lot easier to kind of like pre-cook it a little bit and then toss it in right at the end. That way, your shrimp definitely won't be overcooked. And these mushrooms are so good. You can use any type of mushroom, but these in particular, bunna pea mushrooms, really good mushroom. I would use like straw mushrooms in here. Button mushroom, I don't really like button mushroom that much, so you could. Well, that is it for this short recipe. And if you do need the whole recipe, written recipe, make sure to visit my website at ChefQsTravelRecipe.com. Until next time, peace.